Bayer has always been present at home. For us, Bayer was the synonym of aspirin. Besides, any medicine that carried your logo was simply trustful. Now I have the opportunity of applying to your prestigious company. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Veronica Pearson. I come from Bolivia, but I have been living in the United States of America for almost 5 years. I studied in the German School of La Paz, which gave me the opportunity of living in Germany for 1 year as an exchange student. This one-of-a-kind experience helped me master my German skills. Because of a difficult family situation, I could not continue my studies in food engineering. Therefore, I had to look for a job. Thanks to my language skills, I worked as an editor assistant for an important Spanish editorial, where I gained experience in the labor field at a very young age. I also worked for a very well-known airline in South America, where I learned to work under pressure and 7 days a week during holidays. At least I mastered hardworking. While working at the airline, I applied for a scholarship at the Institute of Professional Dual Education, sponsored and directed by the German National Chamber of Commerce. I graduated as a trilingual associate in international trading in Bolivia after having been an intern in a company that proudly represented your business. My job consisted in coordinating sales, import and export in the area of industrial supplies. I was the intermediary between suppliers and customers, and this is how I had the great opportunity of being involved with your business in the industrial field. I speak Spanish, German, English, and French and have experience in international trading, logistics, and customer service. If you contact any of my former jobs, you will find out that I am an easygoing person who commits to the company and shows high responsibility. I am an open-minded person who wants to learn all the time, not only from my mistakes, but also from your success. I will be pleased if you contact me. For more information, you will be receiving my curriculum vitae by mail. Thank you for the opportunity.